What's up, guys? So we just got a new Soler throttle body for the ZL1. We're gonna open it up. Just got it in the mail today. We're gonna open it up and check this thing out. So here we go. Here's the box. This is fragile. Handle with care. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. So, got a little card from Mike here, Soler Performance LLC. Mike and Soler, they buy factory GM throttle bodies and they port them to their specs. So, you can kind of see here. It's pretty cool. This is all different here. This is a new butterfly. They've engraved Soler Performance LT4. See the porting here and here, and then up top here as well. So, well, let's get to it. Here you can see we have the ZL1. Got the hood popped already. I currently have the battery disconnected per instruction here. All right, so we have ratchet, 10mm flathead. It says that is all we need, so I'm gonna set that up on the hat here carefully as to not scratch my engine. So first of all, it's telling us to disconnect the ECM connector on the throttle body. Okay, we got that done. It's pretty simple. Push that up here out of the way. Sorry for the lighting here, guys. Loosen that a little more. Next, we're gonna loosen the intake clamp here. Get it removed away from the throttle body. Okay. We have the intake pulled away. And now we have to remove the 4 10mm bolts. I really had zero intentions on doing anything to start with, primarily because the car just has so much already. But I started reading Camaro 6 forum and just about how, especially in the manual cars, how the throttle on takeoff was so, well, predictable, not unpredictable, and a lot of people stated, and I would 100% agree, that on takeoff, I mean, a lot of times the car either is trying to stall or it's revved up so much that it's you're going to spin the tires, if you don't slip the clutch. So I started reading how people were having really good luck with this throttle body and how it was curing all the ailments. My ratchet was going up against the throttle body. Here's the factory throttle body. So here you can see, obviously, no porting. Okay, going back in with the beautiful Soler. Okay, we're back. So now we have to go through the ECM learning. gonna take off and try out the throttle body here. Oh, I think I could already tell a difference in the takeoff. The Eco 1 to 4 gear shift. Oh, it ticks me off so bad. I feel like a lot of time this car, you know, it's kind of on and off until you get to a certain point in the throttle. And to me, I feel like as of now, even just that first take off and go through the gears a little bit, that did feel a little more progressive, a little smoother. It makes it feel less drive-by-wire, if that makes sense. Like, I felt like before that it was really obvious that it's drive-by-wire. Like, you push your foot down, you put your foot down a little bit, and then, like, you know, a second later the car responds. Now I feel like it's more through and through, you know, manual throttle kind of feel is kind of the feel I'm getting here. But definitely that takeoff was way better. Oh yeah, so a lot easier takeoff. I was just below, just about 1,000 RPM when I was, you know, as I was letting the clutch out, which, you know, I like to keep it close to idle as I can. Yeah, definitely there's a difference there for sure. Yeah. So stick around for more info on this throttle body and kind of how we feel about it. We're going to be putting a lot more miles on this car here soon. Actually stick around right now because we're going to do a service interval, performance service interval change. So we're doing an oil change, oil filter change, and we're also changing the rear end fluid. So check it out. All right, what's up guys? We're here, got the car on the lift over here at my dad's house. So we're gonna jack this thing up, get our 1,500 mile performance service interval done. Forgot, have my oil and stuff in the trunk. I told you guys, I never said I was smart. So, you never see underneath the ZL1, this is what it looks like. Cooling for the TR6060. Got some catalytic converters. Ooh, nice. Got some rocks up in here. That's nice. Check it out. Look at that. That's cool. You can see his intercooler there. Some cooling ducts there. Got a massive caliper and rotor. Freaking shock is awesome. I'll singe my hair off on the exhaust here. Intercooler there. Another massive caliper rotor. Really cool. Shock. Or strut, probably, I guess you would say. So we got some more gravel up in here, a little big one. There's an oil cooler there, it looks like. Oil filter, obviously. On back we have rear end, some cooling lines going off the rear end. Some shocks. More. Look at those. Those axles, they're huge. Love it. So, we literally have a PCM for the rear end here. So here's our drain plug. Not sure where the fill plug is. Oh, it's over here on the side. Okay, there we go. We got our big briefcase back here. We got like a rear strut or a rear stabilizer or whatever that would be called. Cool. Super exciting, guys. Our fuel tank. All right, let's get to this.
built a new car, D.
What do you know? So you like our hillbilly rigging for change of oil? Works. If I can not burn my skin off, yeah, that'd be fantastic. Hopefully. Woo! You got me. Does green paint hold 10 quarts? I don't know why, but that oil filter's hot. No clue why. Makes no sense to me. Oh, so is that catalytic converter. Oh, man, guys. What's going on? Why is everything so hot? I'll show you guys one thing about the factory exhaust. It was a huge turnoff for me. I really like the sound of it, and well, sorry for the close-up. I really like the sound of it. I mean, I could use a little louder, but the main thing about it that really turned me off is this. Like, why is this necessary to flatten this out? I mean, it's totally pancaked out on both pipes. Totally flat. I mean, that has to have some restriction. It almost looks like it shouldn't be there. Like, if your car is not like this and mine is, let me know, because I don't see the reason for it. This is a straight piece of pipe. I don't see the reasoning, and I don't know. I don't see the reasoning. I don't get it. 100% don't get it. So, if nothing else, that might be the main reason why I do an exhaust system in this car. Near as tight as I was expecting. Okay. So this is supposedly a. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Not at all. Supposedly a magnetic plug here. Wow. That is ugly. Guys, this is why you change your fluid. Oh, and it's splashing. Wow. Ugly stuff. So we have a magnetic plug. Here we go. Yeah. I am really happy they decided to change this. Whoa. Guys, I might be the only hillbilly that owns a ZL1, so sorry about my crudeness. Again. So check out how nasty this rear end fluid is. Really metallic-y. Nasty. This is why we do a 1,500 mile service. Wow. Look at that. If that doesn't make you want to change your rear end grease, I don't know what will. Let's see how our little bottle with a hose trick on it works. Need more hands. She's full. So, rear end is full. Alright guys, so we're back over here with the oil. Put the plug in. Oh, baby. I'm working on the car. this guy's race car. I'm gonna dry everything off. Put the new filter on. Alright guys, we've got the new AC Delco Gold, Ultra Guard Gold on there. Got the plug in. Got our diff filled up. It changed. We're gonna lower this car down, fill it full of oil, fire it up, reset our oil life, and go from there. All right, here we go. Got our oil change. Now we're going to go ahead and reset the oil life. So I believe it's under info. Our pressure oil life. Reset. Yes. Oil life 100%. So we got our 1,500 mile service done with our rear end fluid, oil, filter, factory fill stuff. And our throttle body install. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.